Most AI-generated scripts are terrible, but not because AI is bad at writing. This video breaks down exactly why most creators are doing it wrong, the psychology that keeps viewers watching, and the specific workflow that turns AI into your best scripting partner. Most AI-generated YouTube scripts are terrible, not because AI is bad at writing, but because writing well and writing for YouTube are two completely different skills. The human brain doesn't stay engaged because content is interesting. It stays engaged when it feels like something is about to happen. This is the curiosity gap, the mental discomfort of knowing something exists but not yet knowing what it is. A hook is not a question or an introduction. It's the moment the viewer's brain decides to keep watching because value is clearly on the way. Each link closes one question and introduces the next, keeping viewers in partial satisfaction. Bad pacing doesn't mean your video is too long. It means the energy stays in the same place for too long. Around the 4-5 minute mark, viewers feel restless. Their brain signals the emotional landscape has gone flat. The biggest fear with AI scripts: they won't sound like you. Your voice, your humor, verbal habits, personality is your most valuable asset. Your angle is the specific claim that makes your video worth watching over dozens of others. The temptation is to crank out content faster with AI, but faster without better means a busier channel, not a stronger one. An AI can absolutely help you write scripts that keep viewers watching, but only if you give it the right inputs. This is how I write every YouTube script now, with a tool called TubeMagic. It's an AI script writer built on frameworks real creators use: viral hooks, value loops, tension and pacing, payoff structuring, intro and outro frameworks, strategic ordering, emotional waves, and algorithm optimization. You can even feed it a reference video. Just paste the link, and TubeMagic studies that video's structure when generating your script. Let me show you an example of how to use TubeMagic. We're making a travel video about Canada. Type in the title, pick a word count, hit generate. And here's the hook it gave me. What if I told you one country holds some of the most jaw-dropping landscapes, mysterious places, and life-changing experiences on this entire planet? That's a strong opener. Curiosity gap, big promise, no wasted words. If you want to try TubeMagic for yourself, click the link below to get started.